Hey everyone, Cameron here. In this video, we're continuing the Sellvia dashboard walkthrough, but this time we're going to be looking at the rewards and bonuses section. This part of the dashboard is a self-contained system that's focused on progress tracking, rewards, and incentives as the store grows. Let's open it up and go through the sections one by one. This section has two main areas, the membership benefits and the My Rewards and Bonuses. Both are connected to the Sellvia Rewards membership program. Let's start with membership benefits. This page explains exactly how the reward system works. Sellvia uses membership levels that are based off store sales performance over the last 30 days. As your revenue grows, the membership level is automatically updated. The available levels here are basic, silver, gold, premium, and each level unlocks additional benefits and bonuses. The process is shown clearly on the page. First, sales are made through the store. As revenue increases, membership levels automatically upgrade. With each new level, additional rewards become available. Once you reach a level, it'll stay active for 30 days. Then, after that, the system recalculates the level based on recent sales activity. This creates a rolling structure that reflects current performance rather than just past results. Now, let's switch over to My Rewards and Bonuses. This area shows the current membership level and all available rewards. Here you can see things like your active membership tier, your unlocked bonuses, available coupons, and exclusive product packs. For higher tiers, especially like premium, additional offers and benefits will appear here. Everything that's related to rewards is centralized in this tab, so there's no need to search across the entire dashboard to find available bonuses. We can use this section independently from other parts of the dashboard. It doesn't require setting up campaigns or configuring tools. Instead, it reflects store performance and unlocks benefits automatically as sales grow. It's mainly used to track progress over time, see what rewards are available, and claim bonuses when they unlock. Both the membership benefits and the My Rewards and Bonuses pages also include a You May Be Wondering section, where common questions are answered to clarify how the reward system works. So that's a walkthrough of the rewards and bonuses section in Sellvia. This area is mainly focused on motivation and retention, showing how store performance translates into membership levels and tangible rewards. In the next video, we'll continue reviewing other sections of the Sellvia dashboard and how they fit into different stages of growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.